Hello there and welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops, and today what I'm going to do is a series of balloon modelling videos. But before we start doing that, I'm just going to go over the things that you need before you start doing any balloon modelling at all. So let's start at the beginning. You'll need some balloons, okay, and as you can see I use Qualatex because I think they're the best balloons to use. You will find that cheaper balloons tend to be thinner and pop more easily, especially out the balloon modelling kits that you can buy for a few pounds. So if you're serious about your balloon modelling, I'd buy some Qualatex balloons. Now these come in different sizes, and the balloon that you'll use most of the time is a 260. That's what a 260 looks like. Sometimes you'll need to use a smaller size balloon. This is a 160. And sometimes you might need to use a larger size balloon than a 260. That's a 360. And also you can buy balloons that are 660s. So what else do you need? You've got your balloons. Quite often when you're balloon modelling, you'll find that you'll have to break balloons off, and you'll get what are called offcuts. There you go. I've got some offcut. That's an offcut of a 160 there, and I've got an offcut of a 260 there. I save these because I think they're very useful for finishing off balloon designs, and it saves you having to use a fresh balloon. So it's going to save you money, and they're just as good to use. You're going to have to inflate the balloon. What I use is a pump. I use again a Qualatex pump. This cost me about £7. It's very good. It inflates the balloons very quickly, and again, if you're serious about your balloon modelling, I would seriously think about going out and getting a pump. You'll need a marker to do sort of the face decorations, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, a tongue, something like that. Other decorations, so get yourself a nice black marker. And sometimes when you break the balloons off, you can do that with your hands. There's certain techniques which again you can go on YouTube and you'll find, if you just watch other balloon modelling videos of other people doing it, they'll describe how they do that, and there are various techniques. You can do that. Sometimes just to be really super quick, I get a paper clip which I've bent a little bit, and I just stick that in just for speed. And a pair of scissors is always useful to have at hand. You're probably not going to use your scissors very much at all, but they're sometimes really handy to have just to clean up sort of straggly little bits that you can't hide very easily. So that's what you need to start your balloon modelling with. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. I've got some more videos coming up. Please check those out. If you like them, subscribe to me on YouTube, or follow me on Twitter, or even follow me on Facebook, because I usually post my videos on there too. So thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.